Today we're going to be making this 2-tier stitch cake from Lilo & Stitch. I'm going to start out with 3 8-inch funfetti cakes and some vanilla buttercream to stack and fill our bottom tier. Once our bottom tier is filled and crumb coated, we can put it in the fridge to set and start assembling our top tier. For the top tier, we're going to be using 3 6-inch funfetti cakes and some vanilla buttercream. Now it's time to put on our final coat of buttercream before the fondant. For the top tier, I'm going to do some sculpting to get it in the shape of Stitch's head. I save any offcuts because we'll be using those to fill out the cheeks and the top of the head. Once I'm happy with the shape, I put on another coat of buttercream and smooth it out with a flexible smoother. Now it's time to start covering our tiers in fondant. I used an 8-inch cake board and a thin piece of cardboard from our cake boxes, and I cut out an inch-wide strip and wrapped it around the bottom to create our gift box top. For the striping, I roll out fondant as thin as I can and then cut even strips with my roll cutter. used rolled up napkins to support the inside of our loops for our bow. Once the bow is dried, we'll be able to remove those. Now it's time to cover and decorate Stitch's head. Plastic straw support to the center of Stitch's head to help support our gift box top later. Now it's time to add our supports to the bottom tier to help support the weight of Stitch's head. Now it's time to assemble our cake. I put buttercream over our supports and then carefully move our top tier over and then gently center it. I've added a dowel to the center of our gift box top so that we can slide it down into our support straw and help keep it in place. Now it's time to add the finishing details.